Here we're trying to find the real zeros of a polynomial function. Here you have a polynomial to degree 3, and you want to find what would be at least one of the zeros of this polynomial function. And you start off with taking the last number, -6, and the first number, which would be the +2. And what you're going to do is find all the factors that would lead to -6 and to 2. Now you have a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 6 that would come out of the 6, and a 1 and a 2 that come out of the 2 only. Now you want to put a plus and a minus associated to all these because you have to check both up and down, because there could be a plus or minus that made either one in either way. So once you have that, you're going to divide the last factors, the top factors, by the first factors. So you're going to have to do 1/1, 2/1, 3/1, 6/1, and then 1/2, 2/2, 3/2, and 6/2. And remember that all of them are plus or minus, so you have to do all the combinations of that also. Here is all those numbers broken down. Again, you have to do the last factors over the first factors, the -6 factors over the +2 factors. But then you also have to remember that don't repeat the repeats. So the first one is 1/1 and 2/2 later on where the red dot is, are actually both just 1, and then there's the 6/2 is again just 3. So you don't want to put in repeat numbers. I confuse you. You just want to try each number one time. Here we have another example. This would be a polynomial to degree 4, and it would just be the same thing. You take the last, which is the -6, and you're going to take the first, which is a +4, and you're going to bring those down and realize you have to find all their factors. So for the 6, even though it should be -6 written there, it's going to be a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 6. And 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 1 is 6. And on the bottom, it's 4, 1 times 4, and 2 times 2. But you only have to list the 2 once. So 1, 2, and 4. Again, you don't have to list the 2 again because you're just going to get duplicates of everything. And you don't need any duplicates at all. From here, you're going to do again, like 1/1, 2/1, 3/1, 6/1. And here it's all written out. And an easy way to check this is the top line should read across 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Make sure you didn't miss any. And the bottom should read 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4. That way you made sure you didn't miss any combination. Again, eliminate duplicates. The 2/2 is the same as the 1/1. The 6/2 is the same as the 3/1 because the 6 divided by 2 reduces to 3. Again, just ignore those. You don't want to try more than once. And this is the basic way to find the real zeros of the polynomial function, but this is how you get your first numbers that you're going to test through the equation. This is the very first step, part 1.